In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force delete a file that can't be deleted on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Sometimes you try to delete a file and Windows just refuses. You might see messages like, "File is in use," "Access is denied," or "You need permission to perform this action." In this walkthrough, I'll show you a clear, safe way to force delete that stubborn file, using built-in Windows tools without installing any extra software. First, try the simplest option. Close any apps that might be using the file. For example, if it's a document, close your word processor. If it's a video or audio file, close your media player. Once you've done that, go back to File Explorer and try deleting it again. If it still won't go, we'll move to the next method. The most reliable way to force delete a locked file is through the command prompt. Go to the Start menu, type Command Prompt, then right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. When the confirmation window appears, click Yes. Running as an administrator gives you the permission level you need to remove files that Windows normally protects. With Command Prompt open, navigate to the folder that contains the file. You can do this by typing CD, followed by the path to the folder. For example, if your file is on the desktop, you would change to your desktop directory. Take your time here and make sure the path is correct, because whatever you delete from this location will be gone. Once you're in the correct folder, you'll use the delete command. Type del followed by a space, then the exact name of the file, including its extension. For example, del filename.txt. If the file name has spaces, wrap it in quotation marks. Double-check the name carefully before pressing Enter, because once this runs, the file is permanently deleted and won't go to the recycle bin. If the file is still refusing to delete because it's being used by a background process, you can try restarting your computer and running the same command again before opening any other programs. A restart often releases whatever was holding on to that file. Finally, once the file is gone, close Command Prompt and return to File Explorer to confirm it's been removed. If it's disappeared from the folder, you've successfully forced Windows to delete it.